Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Tuesday, the 19th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looking good through midweek. Rain returns, though, before the week is over. The question is, will it linger into the weekend? And what about Thanksgiving week? Let's take a look at things. A lot to talk about this time of the year. We'll start with the upper look. Got a deep trough rolling through the eastern states. That thing actually squeezed out a few rain showers early this morning. But in the wake of that, it is just a beautiful day today. Dry air, nothing but sunshine statewide. Maximum sun, and it feels pretty good. Look at those numbers way up in the 60s. Tuscaloosa reaching 70, in fact. Birmingham at 67, Anniston 65. And around the nation, temperatures pretty comfortable. Temperatures have moderated up north for now. There's the watch warning map. Winter storm warnings in effect for some of the western states, from Utah and Colorado up through parts of Wyoming and Montana. The east is quiet. Marginal risk of severe storms through tonight over the southwest. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over parts of Texas, around Childress, Lubbock, Wichita Falls. And day 3, which is Thursday, maybe some thunder west of the state, but for now, no severe weather expected. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days. In Alabama, amounts 1 inch, maybe a bit more for the north, under 1/2 inch for the south. And the next chance of rain will be late Friday, Friday night into Saturday morning. Then another storm system is likely before Thanksgiving next week. And looky here, in the tropics, we have a late-season tropical storm by the name of Sebastian. This is still hurricane season, runs through the end of November, and this thing is not really healthy. You can see that the center is exposed, that low-level swirl. The thunderstorms are displaced well to the east, meaning there's a lot of westerly shear. The top winds here, 45 miles per hour. And this will just kind of meander about and dissipate out in the middle of nowhere. There's no threat to land. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run. Valid tomorrow at 3, and I take that back. This is actually the European. We're going to look at the Euro today for the most part. Got a very deep trough back in the southwest, ridging here. Should be a beautiful day. Bright sunshine with a high again in the 60s, much like today. Thursday, a surface low is over Lake Michigan with a trailing front. Will be dry, the sky partly sunny, the high close to 70. Friday, that cold front just creeping southward. And it's beginning to look like a decent chunk of the day Friday will be dry, with rain moving in here at some point Friday night, maybe late Friday night. We got the high school playoff games, and just maybe a decent chunk of them will be dry. But if you're in the Tennessee Valley, most likely it's going to be wet. This is Friday night at midnight, showing rain over about the northern half of the state with a wave on that front. And then Saturday, at 3 o'clock, the rain is confined to extreme east and southeast Alabama. This run a little slower, and I would say the main window for rain now would be from roughly 6 p.m. Friday until 12 noon Saturday for most of the state, and the rain could linger into Saturday afternoon over southeast Alabama. And again, we'll fine-tune this as we get closer to the weekend. Going to be a close call for the 11 o'clock kickoffs in Tuscaloosa and Auburn, especially in Auburn. It looks like there could be some rain during at least the first half of that game. The rain could be over in Tuscaloosa by kickoff. And then Sunday, a beautiful day, bright sunshine. The high will be in the upper 50s, low 60s. Let's go through Thanksgiving week. What do you say? This is Monday, sunny with 60s. Tuesday, here comes our pre-Thanksgiving storm. And if this verifies where we are, the day will be dry with a high close to 70, but we could see rain and storms west of the state through parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, the Mississippi Delta, and snow possible Tuesday of next week, a week from today, from the Texas Panhandle up through parts of the Great Plains into Minnesota and parts of Wisconsin. Wow. This is Tuesday night of next week. Very impressive trough. A very deep surface low is located east of Des Moines, and that could be almost blizzard conditions for parts of Iowa, Minnesota, northern Wisconsin. That's not good for pre-Thanksgiving travel. And then a band of showers and storms blowing through here Tuesday night with a secondary surface low coming through Alabama. Not much instability. Don't think that's a severe weather look, but as always, we'll keep an eye on that. And this is a week away. Trust me, this will change. The look, the timing, Everything will be different, but the idea is good in that we have a pre-Thanksgiving storm. This is Wednesday of next week, Thanksgiving Eve, the 27th. Snow continues around the Great Lakes and parts of Minnesota. Rain pushing east of Alabama. We turn noticeably colder, but we be dry. And this is Thanksgiving Day, Thursday the 28th, and if this verifies, it will be dry, seasonal, the high around 60. Let's just keep going. What do you say? This is Friday, Black Friday, the 29th. Rain to the north and west. And this run suggests we might see some rain on Iron Bowl Saturday. But this will change again and again. This is totally out here in the land of voodoo. We're just peaking. Let's take a look at the rain for Birmingham off the European Ensemble for the next 15 days. The mean between 2 and 3 inches. In temperatures, we'll see a few cool shots, but nothing radically cold for November or early December. Highs in the 50s and 60s, and lows mostly in the 30s and the 40s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.